Did you know that Americans spend over $1,500 a year on coffee shop drinks? That's more than some people spend on groceries for a whole month. Welcome to Coffee Minutes, the podcast where we blend smart habits with the strong cup. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and stay caffeinated with us. Today's episode is all about how to save over $1,000 a year just by switching to homemade coffee, and how to make it just as satisfying as your favorite cafe drink. We're not here to shame your latte habit. We're here to help you save big without giving up the joy of coffee. Let's walk through how much those daily drinks really add up, and then break down a smarter, more sustainable plan for your wallet and your morning routine. First, let's do the math. If you grab one coffee per workday at around $5 a cup, that's $25 a week, about $100 a month, and roughly $1,200 a year. Even if you cut that in half, you're still spending around $600. That's fine if it brings you consistent joy, but most of us can recreate the experience for a fraction of the price. Next, let's talk setup. Investing in a French press, pour-over kit, or single-serve machine costs anywhere from $15 to $100. Even if you splurge on a good grinder or milk frother, it's a one-time investment that can pay itself off in just a couple of months. Buy a few good beans and you're in business. One 12-ounce bag of beans, about $15, can make 25 to 30 cups. That brings your cost per cup to well under $1. Now, make it fun. Build a coffee ritual you love. Play music, use your favorite mug, or sit by the window. The joy isn't just in the drink, it's in the experience. Try syrups, foamed milk, or even cold brew if you want variety. You might end up liking your home brew more than the cafe version. Let's run the numbers again. Cafe coffee, $5 times 20 workdays is $100 a month, or $1,200 a year. Home coffee, around 75 cents a cup, or $15 a month, which is about $180 a year. That's over $1,000 in savings. And that money, it could go toward books, a better coffee setup, a weekend getaway, or even your emergency fund. You don't need to quit coffee, you just need to switch where you get it. If you're curious about great homebrewing gear or smart ways to save money, check out the book list in the description. You'll find guides I've put together with real-world tips and ideas. So, here's how to save over $1,000 a year. Know how much you're spending, invest in quality gear once, make homebrewing enjoyable, stick with it, and let the savings stack up. If this episode gave you some new ideas, go ahead and like, subscribe, and check out the book list and my Ko-fi page in the description. Do you already make coffee at home? What's your setup? Share it in the comments. I'd love to hear how you brew on a budget. Thanks for hanging out with me on Coffee Minutes. In our next episode, we'll compare two classic brew methods, French press versus drip coffee. Which one is right for you? Let's find out. Until then, sip smart and save more.